So these are spring oats. They're being grown for a human consumption contract, and they're very ripe on the top, but they suffered from a storm which has pushed them all over sideways. The interesting thing is the CX combine with the straw walker is, although it's struggling to spread the chaff and the chopped straw, which as you can see it's quite green actually. A lot of this straw is quite green, so it's struggling to spread it, but it is producing it. It's able to pick it up a lot better and feeding a lot better than the CR, which is having to cut in a single direction. So there are, and that's something we've picked up on before, that the R combines, the rotaries, do struggle with green crops in comparison to the straw walker combines, which seem to do a lot better with the green.